very good evening and welcome to BCN News. Our top story tonight, government has tabled its response to the audit report. The report was tabled along with the audit report at the Whalefono meeting held last week. Responding specifically to key concerns in the audit report, on financial stability, government states it is reliant on the New Zealand government's ongoing support, which includes budget support and various funding or other support initiatives. Government states they are aiming to improve financial stability over time by setting achievable break-even budgets, diversifying revenue streams, and more timely preparation of financial information. Increased capacity and capability would also allow for improvements in tax receipts to assist improving government's financial position. Having up-to-date accounts will equip government with the information to allow for more accurate budgeting. On NPNC, government confirms that filing is overdue and is not compliant with newer tax regulations. The government says it has noted that the payment of tax PAYE to Treasury would not improve the group consolidated position as the inter-entity income would be eliminated upon consolidation. This is an important issue to be remedied. It states there is no legal requirement to make distributions to the government, but grants have been made under NPNC legislation. Given the recent changes and inclusion of a number of departments in NPNC, as well as outstanding records, there has been no capacity or ability to distribute income to the government, as no income has been generated given loss-making position for June 2015. Regular distributions will only be possible once NPNC starts generating a profit over and above the expenses incurred. Government acknowledges there is missing information for some of the divisions within NPNC. Government has also noted that there are also potential issues in subsequent years. However, again, this is not able to be rectified, and their advisors will work with Audit New Zealand to ensure this is considered as part of the audit process. Government will look to implement improvements as part of the next steps. As part of the wider finance function improvement process, the government states they will consider the best reporting method for the SOEs and applicable statutory entities, including NPNC. The government says they are also proposing to review aspects of the structure, governance, and administration of those entities. On unauthorized expenditure, the report, which stated that the appropriation for 2014-2015 was exceeded by $1,476,711, of which Cabinet only approved $224,000, leaving unauthorized expenditure of $1,252,711. Government has acknowledged this starting part of the remedial work to be undertaken is to have processes that address this issue. On donor funds and aid management, government states it has established the PCMU, but the key to its success is ensuring that the team has the necessary resources, systems, and capability. On capability and capacity, as noted in the letter, the government states the limited capacity and capability is a primary cause of most of the items mentioned in the report. This is an area government says they have acknowledged by utilizing Deloitte and looking for assistance from ADB. However, the government says they realize that sourcing extra capacity and capability from Niue itself is limited. Regarding the management of tax collection, this is a previously identified capacity and capability issue area, and options are constantly being considered or ways to manage the tax collection for a country of this size and nature, including systems and people. This will be considered as part of the government's finance function improvement project. The government of Niue's $1.85 million support for the private sector will be used towards a wage supplementation package for the local businesses. This wage subsidy program will help business owners and their employees cope through these tough economic times brought about by the impacts of COVID-19. The Chamber of Commerce is assisting the government in facilitating and processing the applications for the wage subsidy. According to the Chamber, this support will ensure the business owner will still be earning a fortnightly income and their staff, both full-time and part-time employees, will continue to receive a fortnightly wage. The most important thing for the private sector is that the businesses remain in business after COVID-19, and this wage subsidy support from the government will go a long way so that these business owners and their employees can still have money in their pockets to spend on the island and keep the local economy going. The Chamber of Commerce sent out the application forms yesterday. All new registered businesses are eligible to apply. The Chamber of Commerce has also started distributing the one-off monetary grant to help the most impacted businesses, those with expected losses of more than 60%, and especially those in the tourism industry. Niue's dark sky sanctuary got further global exposure from America's space agency NASA, which posted it as the image of the day for April 13th story, providing a great satellite image of the rock taken in November 2019. A worldwide event hosted by the International Dark Sky Association, celebrating the night and bringing attention to the problems caused by light pollution. Each year, International Dark Sky Week is held in April during the week of the new moon, when the sky is the darkest and the stars most visible. This year's international celebrations begin on Sunday, April 19th and run through Sunday, April 26th, 2020. And that's your BCN News for tonight. Thank you for joining us. Do join us same time next Monday. Until then, have a safe weekend.